Welcome to Four Wheel Channel, where innovation and excellence drive our coverage. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the 2025 Acura TLX, an incredible testament to Acura's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of design and technology in the automotive world. Stick around as we dive into the thrilling world of this luxury sedan, known for its sleek design and thrilling performance. The upcoming 2025 Acura TLX is poised to replace the current iteration, which underwent a mid-cycle refresh in 2024. The refresh includes a revamped front fascia, improved interior spaciousness, and improved soundproofing, ensuring the TLX remains competitive for years to come. Positioned as a mid-range option, the TLX can seat up to 5 passengers and offers a solid set of standard features. This includes a large 12.3-inch touchscreen, supple leather seats, convenient wireless charging capabilities, and an immersive 10-speaker L sound system. Both the exterior and interior design continue to exude sportiness in the luxury sedan segment, characterized by its wide, low-profile, and aviation-inspired cockpit layout. Following Acura's typical release schedule, the 2025 TLX is expected to hit dealers in November 2024. As more information becomes available, we'll provide more insight into what the upcoming TLX has in store.